What if the fruits of your intellect were coveted not for the benefit of humanity, but for the creation of destructive weapons? Such is the tale we're about to unfold, the story of Dr. Afia Siddiqi, a Pakistani neuroscientist caught in the crossfire of international intrigue and power politics. Born in Karachi in 1972, Dr. Siddiqui's journey is as remarkable as it is tragic. Following her primary education, she ventured to Texas in 1990 on a student visa, where her elder brother was studying architecture. In the heart of the Lone Star State, she would soon find herself embroiled in a world far removed from the tranquil corridors of academia. In 1995, she married Amjad Muhammad Khan, a fellow scientist. Together they had 3 children, 2 sons and a daughter, yet the union would prove to be her undoing. Unbeknownst to her, Khan had aligned himself with the Central Intelligence Agency, a decision that would set in motion a chain of events leading to Dr. Siddiqui's downfall. Dr. Siddiqi had achieved something remarkable in the field of biochemistry. She had developed a formula for creating deadly weapons, a feat that even the most accomplished American scientists had failed to achieve. She intended to use this formula for the betterment of Pakistan and the Muslim world. However, the United States had another vision, one that involved utilizing her formula for its own strategic goals. The refusal to hand over her formula marked the beginning of a tragic saga. Her work in America had not gone unnoticed, and word of her groundbreaking research reached the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Fearful of her knowledge falling into Pakistan's hands, the FBI became involved, setting the stage for an international drama. In 2002, following a divorce from her husband under a cloud of false accusations, Dr. Siddiqi returned to Pakistan. She had hoped to contribute her skills and knowledge to her homeland, but her dreams were dashed when, in 2003, she was handed over to the United States by then Pakistani President Pervez Musharraf. For 5 years, her whereabouts remained unknown. It was a period of uncertainty and loss for Pakistan, which had lost a brilliant mind in the form of Dr. Siddiqi. It was only in 2013 when the US, disappointed with its inability to procure the formula from her, proposed her return to Pakistan. However, the Pakistani government did not act on this proposal. As of now, Dr. Afia Siddiqi remains incarcerated in the United States. The hope of her return is kept alive by her sister and the collective will of a nation yearning for justice. The tale of Dr. Afia Siddiqi serves as a stark reminder of the consequences of greed and political maneuvering, and the individuals caught in the midst of these machinations. It is a story of brilliance exploited, a life altered, and a nation's loss. Yet it is also a testament to resilience, resistance, and the unyielding spirit of a woman who refused to let her intellect be misused. The final chapters of her story are yet to be written, and the world watches on, hoping for a resolution that brings justice and peace to Dr. Afia Siddiqi.